let's start. Today's topic is evaluation of postfix expression using stack. Means how we will evaluate infix expression to postfix expression. Okay. So for that we have one algorithm, evaluation of postfix expression. So in that, postfix expression is given like this: a b plus c multiply d divide sign, and the value of a, b, c and d are given. Means these are the operands, its values are given. So evaluate the postfix expression. Question is, evaluate the postfix expression if the value of a equals to 2, b equals to 3, c equals to d and d equals to 5. Now see this, the expression given like this. So first of all, you have to put this operand into the stack. So here first step is a is an operand, so push this operand into the stack. So in the first stack the value is a, value is a, then b is coming, then so push this a into the stack. In the second stack, second operand is b, b is coming, so insert this b also in the stack. So a and b now both are the operand present in the stack. After that, third one, this is called operator. When operator is coming, so that time you have to pop these two operands, pop these two operands. Look here, this diagram. Now in the third stack, remove a and b together, means popped these two elements, because here we want to perform addition. Look here, plus sign means this is a binary operator, or binary operator always work with two operand, at least two operand is required. So here a and b both are popped, and then you see the value of a is 2 and the value of b is 3. Now 2 plus 3 result is 5. After the operation you have to assign this result in the variable into the stack. So now the stack 4 value is 5. Then look in the question, then after the plus sign there is c and then multiply. So c is assigned into the stack in stack number 5. 6 you have to assign. Now 6 c is inserted into the stack, and then multiply sign is coming. When multiply sign is coming, that means it is also a part of binary operator, means it comes under arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operator like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all are the binary operator. So it need two operands. So come out, pop these c and 5 together and multiply. So 5 will come first and then, sorry, c will come first and then 5. So 5 into c, the value of c is 4. So 5 into 4, result is 20. 20 you have to assign into the stack. Means after the processing, after the operation, the result would be assigned into the stack. So stack value is 20. Is it clear? 20. Then next is d. So insert d into the stack, and after that, which sign is coming? Look into the question. After that, divide sign is there. After the d, divide sign is there. When divide sign is come, then again you have to pop these two stack element. So d and 20 will come first, and 20 divided by d. 20 divided by d. Why? Because d comes first and then 20 will come. So 20 ऐसा कुछ होगा, 20 divided by d, then 20, value of d is 5. So 20 divided by 5, the result is 4. Result is 4, and then 4 you have to assign into the stack. This is the final result. Now you have to look this algorithm. Evaluation of postfix expression. Now this is the comment part. Triple quotes are given, that means it is a comment part. Reading of expression takes place from left to right. So here in this question I have performed operation from left to right. तो A से start किया और यहाँ divide तक गए. Clear? Then read the next element. So means one by one element you have to read. So first element is A, then you have to read B, then you have to read plus sign, then C, then multiply, then divide. So first step is read the next element. Then if element is operand, that means maybe it is a variable or maybe it is a value. So if the element is an operand, then push the element in the stack. So according to this, now here A and B both are the operand. So first you have to insert these operand into the stack. So if element is operand, then push the element in the stack. Now third step is if element is operator. So this time you have to pop two operands from the stack when it is binary operator. Or suppose that operator is unary, so that time you have to pop only one operand. So लिखा ना, pop one operand in case of unary operator, because unary operator needs only one operand at a time, whereas binary operator needs two operands at a time. So if element is operator, so according to the question here plus sign is given. Plus sign means this is a binary operator, we need two operands to pop two operands from the stack. Or suppose that here increment operator is given, or simple unary plus or unary minus sign is given, so that time you have to pop only one operand. Then step number 5, evaluate the expression formed by the two operands and operator. So after popping, to perform your operation, so A plus B, now expression is A plus B, and then you have to process it. So result of A plus B, then you have to push the result of expression in the stack. This is the sixth step. So first step is read next element, means one by one element you have to read. Then if element is operand, then push each element in the stack. If element is operator, then pop either one operand or two operand. It depends on the operator. Maybe operator is binary or maybe operator is unary. If operator is binary, then you pop two operands. Otherwise, you have to pop one operand. Then after popping, step number 5, evaluate the expression formed by the two operands and operator. And sixth step, after evaluating, whatever result you get, you have to push into the stack. Clear? Then step number 7, if no more element is there, means now the stack is, now the expression is over, then pop the result and go to the step number, otherwise go to the step number 1 and then end. This is the algorithm to perform operations when you are when the question is postfix expression like this. मतलब क्वेश्चन जब का postfix में दिया हुआ है तो उस टाइम पर आप लोग को उसे इवेल्युएट करना है, ना कि कन्वर्ट करना. postfix to infix नहीं है. Here the question is evaluate. Evaluate means solve your question from postfix. ठीक है? Now any confusion, please ask. In this question, any doubt? Muskan? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Harvinder, any doubt? Kalash? Dolly? Alokik? Sachin?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Karthik? Satyam?
No, sir.
Okay. Now next question. Example 9.9. Evaluate the following expression in the postfix form using a stack and show the content of the stack after execution of each operation. Like here, true, false, true. These are the operands, but not is a operator, or this is a logical operator. Then false, true. Again, these are the operands. Not, or not, and, or, and. These are the operators. Clear? So you have to perform your operation from left to right. So you are reading from the left to right. So first true will insert in the stack, then false will come in the stack, then true will come in the stack. So in the third stack the value is true, false, true. Now the top will point to true. Once we are getting not is a unary operator. Not is a unary operator. It requires only one operand at a time. So we have to pop topmost element from the stack. So this is true. True will come out, and not true, that means false. Not true, that means it is false. Now false you have to insert, yeah, result will insert it into the stack. So instead of true you have to write false. क्योंकि अब क्या हो गया, ट्रू की जगह क्या आ चुका है, फॉल्स, बिकॉज नॉट ट्रू इज फॉल्स. You can see here, not true, that is false. Clear? The false assigned into the stack, then after that false, the false will insert, then true will insert, then or is given. Or is given, that means this is a binary operator. Of binary means it requires two operands. So last two of values will popped from the stack, then true or false. True or false, result is true or false, result is, what is the result of true or false?
True.
True. Very good. True. True will is assign, this is the result, and this will assign in this stack number 7. Clear? Then after that any other operator is given. After that not is given. So not true, because last value of the stack is true, na? And then not operator we are getting. So not true, that means false. Not true means false. So instead of this true we are writing false. Now false is a topmost element in the stack. Then name of the operator, and after that and operator is given. So and is a logical operator. We require two operands. So from the stack you have popped these two operands, like false and false. So result is false and false, result is
False.
false. And then or, then or. Now I think one step is missing. That its result is false, and then false and false. False and false, no?
False.
False and false is false. Sorry, and is the or था यहाँ पर. And false or false means false. ठीक है. And last is two false is. Something is wrong here in this diagram, because
Sir, stack number 9th is given wrong.
Stack number 9 is giving wrong, and 10th is also. Why we are how we are getting this true at last? Because this time its value is
Sir,
false.
9th is wrong. At the last position, true is there.
True is there, na? Then true and
Yes,
false. Now you have to take these two values, false and true, and perform here and operation, na? At last and operation is given.
Yes, sir.
So false and true, the final result is
False.
false. So at the last we will get false. This is the answer. So here this stack number 9 is wrong. So here you have to write true instead of this false. Clear? Is it okay? Students, it is okay? Muskan, Alokit, Saransh, Satyam.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion? Karthik, Harvinder, Dolly, Kaushal, Sachin, Lokesh. If you have any doubt, please ask. Next, evaluation of prefix expression using stack. This is also same. वैसे ही होगा. ठीक है? Now, question number 9.10. Evaluate the expression 5, 6, 2, 1 multiply 12, 4 divide minus. This is also a postfix expression, and so you have to evaluate this. अब इससे पहले क्वेश्चन में क्या था, हमें वेरिएबल्स दिए थे लाइक ए बी सी प्लस मल्टीप्लाई डी ई डिवाइड माइनस लाइक दिस. So instead of variable, here values are given. So no problem. Same method you have to do. क्या? First is 5. So 5 you have to push into the stack. Now in the stack 5 is given. Then 6 again a operand, means in terms of value. So you have to assign this value into the stack. Now after the 5, 6 will come. Then 2 is again operand. So 2 will come. So here this red color showing this is the top most element of the stack. Means this time 5 in the first step. 5 is the topmost element. In the second step, 6 is the topmost element. And third step, 2 is the topmost element. Then plus sign is given. Plus is an operator, or it is a binary operator. So here we need 2 elements. To pop 2 elements and evaluate. So now 6 plus 2. Result is 8. So calculation you have to do here 8 and then push 8. So 8 will come into the stack. So after the evaluation, whatever result you will get, you have to assign this result into the stack. Now 5 and 8. So 8 is the topmost element. Then multiply sign. Multiply sign, again we need 2 operands to pop 2 elements and evaluate and push result. So 5 and 8 multiply करेंगे. The result is 40. 40 you have to push into the stack. Clear? The value is 40. Then 12. 12 is an operand. You have to insert 12 into the stack. So 40, 12. Then 4 you have to insert into the stack. Then divide sign. Divide sign, again divide is a binary operator. We need 2 operands. So 2 operands, pop 2 elements from the stack. So 12 and 4 divide. Result is 3. So result you have to insert into the stack. 40, 3. Then at last minus sign. Minus sign means again minus is a binary operator. Same thing you have to do. 40 minus 3, 37. 37 is the result you have to insert into the stack. So this is the final result, 37. I hope this topic is clear to all of you. How we will evaluate any postfix expression either in terms of operands or in terms of value. Is it clear? Kaushal, Sachin, Lokesh, Karthik, Harvinder, Dolly, Muskan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Saransh, Satyam. Clear na?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now this example you have to understand by yourself because this is the last example which I explained in previous class. देखो, give the algorithm for converting an infixed arithmetic expression. This is a infixed arithmetic expression. Here q colon is nothing but it is just like a function. So value start from here. यहाँ से expression start है हमारा. कहाँ से? Bracket a minus b bracket close multiply bracket c divide d bracket close plus e. Arithmetic expression into a postfix arithmetic expression. Means here you have to convert your infixed expression to postfix expression. Use the algorithm for the following expression, showing in a tabular form the changing status of the stack. See. in any line you have to doubt, please ask. देखो एक बार देखते रहो, इसको देख के समझो. Value is bracket a minus b bracket close multiply bracket start c divide d plus divide bracket close plus e. Now you have to take rough copy and write this question in your rough copy, क्योंकि जब मैं स्क्रीन नीचे करूंगा तो क्वेश्चन गायब हो जाएगा. Please, you have to note this question in your rough copy. Arvinder, note down this question in the copy and then understand it.
सर बुक में है सर, बुक में देख रहा था.
Okay. Everything is given in your book. I am also explaining this from book. Book मैं दिखा नहीं सकता हूँ तो इसलिए मैंने स्कैन कर रखा है इसे.
सर
Yes.
सर ये बी जहाँ लिखा है सर बी प्रिंट, तो वहाँ पे
Wait a minute, huh? In this line? This line?
फोर्थ लाइन सर,
Fourth.
फोर्थ हाँ सर, यस सर.
Fourth line. Okay. I am starting from first line. देखो, bracket will come, bracket push, then bracket, then nothing will come in the output. Then a print, then a will print here. After that minus sign push to, after that minus sign you have to push in the stack. Then a remains. Then b print, print b. Here this is a printing mistake, so b will come after this a. So correct this. After this a, b will come. b आएगा यहाँ पर, clear है? So you have to write b after this a. This is a printing mistake in your book, so correct this. Any other? Next line, bracket close. When bracket close, then this minus sign will shift here. So a b minus. Clear? Then many mistakes are given here. Here has pound sign, this one has symbol will not come. Instead of that, multiply sign will come here. In this case, यहाँ पर ना, here has symbol will not come. Instead of that, you have to write this multiply sign. Multiply sign आ गया यहाँ पर. Clear? Then bracket start, bracket push to multiply bracket ab minus. Then c will come to ab minus c. Then divide sign, multiply bracket divide ab minus c. Then d will come to, no problem, a b e minus c d. Then bracket close. When bracket close, then divide sign will come here. Then plus sign, no problem, plus ये आ गया. After that listen, plus multiply and plus. So here the precedence or priority of this multiply is more than this plus sign, so multiply will shift to the result, means in the output screen. Clear? And stack, only plus sign will be left. Then e आ जाएगा. After that semicolon will not come because this is I think this is a printing mistake. Semicolon is not given in the question. In the question there is only a minus b multiply c divide d bracket close plus e. Only this much is given, so there is no semicolon. This is a printing mistake. Clear? So when So instead of that, I think there is a bracket sign. Once bracket sign will come in the 14th step, closing bracket will come. Once the closing bracket will come, then this plus sign will shift to the output. So final output is A B minus C D divide multiply E plus. Is it clear? So here's some mistakes are given. So in the step number 4, A and B will come. Then here no pound hash symbol will come. Instead of that, multiply sign will. So you have to write multiply sign instead of this hash symbol. Then here no bracket. Sorry, no semicolon. Instead of that, you have to write closing braces. Closing bracket, small bracket. Clear? So closing bracket will come. Once this bracket is closed, then this plus sign will shift to the output screen. The final output is AB minus CD divide plus multiply E plus. Any confusion, please ask. Any confusion, students, in this question?
No, sir.
Bhanu
No,
sir,
sir.
Yes, sister.
Bhanu sir,
Yes, sister.
tell the students to switch on the camera. Many of them have switched off,
Okay.
and then some of them unmuted the speaker.
Students, please turn on your cameras, everyone, and mute yourself. Okay, good. Only colors is not opened.
Kalash,
Ah,
open your camera.
I think sister, he's working with the desktop, na, that's why.
Sir, my camera is turned on, but due to network problem, you are not able to see.
There is some problem.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, sister, for giving suggestion. Next is the question. Question is evaluate following arithmetic expression A. A is an expression. Expression is like this: 35 2. Here 2 multiply sign is given. 2 multiply sign. That means this is the exponent symbol. This is the exponent symbol, which is in a postfix notation. So the content of the stack, and then during the execution of an algorithm using the following. So expression is given like this. So this is very light. So instead of that, we are using this one. Okay. 35 2 exponent 12 6 divide plus minus, and this is a closing bracket. So here you have to put, at the beginning you have to insert opening bracket, and at the last closing bracket. And see this table. First you write this question in your rough copy and then solve. Question you have to write in your rough copy and solve it. Now see the solutions. Any doubt, please ask in this solution. No. Everything is clear in this solution. in this type of question, no need to write opening bracket and closing bracket. Here, bracket is given, there is no need. Look here, when 30, that is push, 30 will come here, 5, then 5 will come here, then 2, so 2 will come here in the stack. So the topmost element is 2, then exponent is given, exponent means 5 to the power 2, that means 5 ja 25, so 25 is a result, so it will store in the stack. So 30 comma 25, then 12 will come, so 30 25 12, then 6 will come, so 30 25 12 6, then divide sign, again it is a binary operator, 12 divided by 6, result is 2, so 2 you have to insert in the stack. So 30 25 2, then plus sign, plus is a binary operator, so 25 plus 2, that is 27, so 27 you have to insert, and then minus sign, 27 30 minus 27, that is 3, so 3 is the final result. Okay, this closing bracket indicate this 3 you have to pop from the stack, so result आ जाएगा यहाँ पर, और this has symbol denotes nothing is present in the stack, that means stack is empty. Clear? It is clear, students? It is clear?
Yes,
that,
sir.
Hmm,
Yes, sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next